Here are some highlights of the October issue of Municipal Sewer and Water magazine. Every operator knows it. You can't fight a sewer emergency alone, but few utilities have taken that truth as far as the Inland Empire Utilities Agency. What started as a handshake between neighboring cities has grown into a full-scale mutual aid program complete with simulation drills, shared gear, and built-in trust. Now, 2 decades in, it's reshaping how agencies think about collaboration and why being ready together beats being ready alone. When city crews hit a job too big or too risky for open cut, they call in Be Trenchless. From micro-tunneling under busy roadways to installing massive sewer mains through tough Rocky Mountain ground, the Denver-based contractor has made a name tackling the kinds of underground challenges municipalities can't solve alone. From crossword puzzles to fish bowls and water drops, students in Hillsborough County are reimagining how to spread water-saving messages. Most sewer crews can handle tough pipe, but it's the shortcuts and slip-ups that cause the real damage. Here are the top safety killers you can control. Federal dollars are drying up. Here's how sewer and water utilities are finding new ways to cover cleanup costs. From smart sensors to remote telemetry, the latest tech lets you see your collection system like never before and stay ahead of overflows. Undetected chemical leaks and 45-second remote shutoffs. These case studies show how automation and smart meters are transforming municipal water operations. The GeoRanger XR series sets a new standard and gives your crew the upper hand with ground-penetrating radar. All this and more is in the latest issue, free for qualified readers. Thank you for watching and thank you for reading MSW. See you next month.